The next thing we want to do is to remove the up to 15-minute videos limit. For that, click on Increase Your Limit. Then we'll need to go through a quick verification process. For the verification methods, I'll go for the voice call. Enter a phone number and click on Submit. And immediately my mobile starts ringing, so I'll just pick up the phone and write down the given code and then click on Verify. And voila, I can now upload videos longer than 15 minutes. That wasn't too difficult, right? Okay, now it's time to upload our first video. Click on Select Files to upload. Select a video from your computer and double-click on it. And now our video has started uploading to YouTube. We'll see here a couple of techniques that will help your video rank faster on YouTube. We'll optimize keywords related to that video and make it easier for Google to search for our video. Basically, it's a simple and logical concept. We'll choose specific keywords and put them up front to help Google find them easily and rank our video accordingly. I won't go too deep into ranking details and search engine optimization or SEO, but these simple little twists I'm going to show you are definitely going to help your videos to jump above other people's videos. Okay, the first thing you want to do is pick 2 keywords you want to rank for and put them inside your title like we did with our keywords here. Then we'll do the same for description, adding 2 keywords inside. And here they are in the middle of our text. As for tags, we'll put 3 keywords with some variation and add 2 more related tags to make sure we don't look like we're trying to abuse the system. Adding too much of the same keywords in tags, descriptions, and annotations can be seen as spamming by Google, and as a result, your video could get blacklisted. But of course, that's an extreme situation and it won't happen unless you're very, very heavy on the same keywords. So we'll insert WordPress Quick Money. Then we can separate our tags using a comma, WordPress Quick Money course, learn how to use WordPress, build an amazing website, and WordPress Quick Moneymaker. So here we have our 3 keywords together with our other 2 related keywords. It's very important to choose the right keywords matching your video and mix them together with other keywords and related content inside the description, title, and tags. So next we'll have to choose a category, and for this kind of video, it's best to pick either education or how-to and style. Now that our video is finished uploading, let's take a look at the Video Manager section. Our first video appears here, and to make any adjustments to it, we can either click on Edit or on this small blue icon. Another important thing to do is to always add the site address where you want to send people to the description. So we'll go to the site and copy its URL, then paste it at the very beginning inside the description box. Then add a call to action. Visit my website to get more information. After making any changes, go and click on Save Changes. Here we have 3 choices of thumbnails given by YouTube for the video. This thumbnail is how it will appear on YouTube next to your video. At first, you'll get only 3 fixed choices of thumbnails, which is kind of annoying. But once you start to upload more videos and get lots of views on them, they will let you upload any thumbnail in your videos. It may take a bit more of time to gain that new option, and it depends on how popular your videos will become. As the final part of this lesson, we'll see how to add annotations to your videos. We are still in the Video Manager section, and we'll visit Annotations. And here, we can add different styles of annotations. They all do the same thing, but the design is a bit different. We'll do the same as before, adding 2 keywords, but this time we'll put them inside annotations. Let's pick Note, and right away it comes into our video. Let's put in our first keywords, WordPress Quick Money. Then we'll go and choose a starting time and ending time for the annotation. We'll make it start at 9 seconds and finish after 12 seconds. So we'll see the annotation for around 3 or 4 seconds, which should be perfect. So let's see how it looks on the video. Actually, the concept here is only to please Google, so you can catch your keywords inside the video and optimize your video's ranking position. We'll do the same for the second annotation and enter our keyword, changing it just a bit so it doesn't look like spam. WordPress Quick Money Maker. And with these options, we can change font, size, and even color here. So we'll quickly adjust this annotation. Then we'll fix its starting and ending to about the end of our video. And here's our second annotation. We don't have any other videos on YouTube yet, but if we did, we could link our videos to each other by clicking on the link and entering its URL here. Then make the second video open in a new window. And also decide when to make it start. But this will only work when we link it to another YouTube video or other services related to Google that you can find here. So go ahead and upload your first video and optimize it the way you've learned. Then share all your videos on your social media sites like Facebook and Twitter, and ask your friends to click on like and add comments. This will really increase your video's ranking position. Quick summary on how to optimize a YouTube video. Step 1. Add 2 of your keywords in the title with a little bit of variation, like dog training, best video on how to make efficient dog training classes. Step 2. Add these 2 same keywords inside the description. Step 3. Enter your URL and the call to action as the very first part of the text in the description. Step 4. Enter 3 tags with the same keywords like dog training video, dog training review, then add another 2 related tags. Step 5. Choose education or how-to and style for the category. Step 6. Add 2 short annotations to your video with keywords like dog training video. Step 7. Regularly add other related videos and link them to each other. Step 8. Share your YouTube videos on your social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Step 9. Of course, on social media, motivate all your friends to click on like and add comments to your videos. And getting likes and comments right after publishing a video will rank them even better, so don't wait too long.